Guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how we shall be setting up FX Tunnel VPN application. So the first step, as usual, we are going to come at our Google Play Store. So let me open the Google Play Store, and then we shall be coming where we search from right here, and we search our VPN application. I recommend you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel, to share this video to all your friends. FX Tunnel VPN. It is the VPN application we are going to be setting today. So you're going to come at that VPN that looks like that. Make sure it has such an icon, and after installing that VPN application on your device, open it, and then while we are opening it, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to your friend. So this is what we are going to be setting right here. Okay, later. And make sure you are going to come and set that one. You're going to also set that one, and you're going to set that one. So just wait for a few seconds while we are setting our application. So let me first go at the top left corner, and then I check those three dashes. Then I'll be coming right here. Then I update, and you will see a message that no updates available. That will be here. So I'm going to come right here. But while doing these things, make sure you have a running data bundle so that you can update your VPN application, because updates need data bundles that are running. So here at the auto select server, it is where we are coming. I recommend you guys to use the first option. So that option, let us come right here now at the network here. So you guys, let us use the network. So here, just to be very attentive. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and share it to all your friends. I'm going to come where we search from here. I activate the keyboard, that one. So I'm going to search for UDP. Then I will see a list of those UDP servers. But for Uganda, I recommend all those Ugandans to buy land from home bundle to use the Uganda UDP server. But all other countries, we are going to be using one server, and that server will be working. But even if you don't buy bundles, but you are free to choose your own country's server. So it is the first server right here. This is what we are going to be seeing. So I'm going to choose that server, and then guys, let us come right here down to the DNS. At the DNS, I'm going to be using the Cloudflare DNS. So I'm going to save, and then I'll come where we connect from right here, and I connect, guys, let us first see what is happening. Let us choose the Google DNS. The Google DNS connects successfully. That means the DNS we shall be using the Google DNS. Don't forget to subscribe. Share this video with your friend. I remain Mouse Tech.